didn't think that was there 20 odd years ago.
That's the original bridge over the kwai.
That looks new though, that hill. I know you are. That's how I was acknowledging you, twat. Apart from all the plastic that's in a lot of the places, it's still a beautiful place. Beautiful.
Look at that as well.
Look, see it? See the Buddha thing, look?
Yeah.
On the mountain. What is that again? Oh, there it is. Look at that, look at the size of that.
That's what she says. I can't believe the amount of fucking... Look. Sorry, what's swearing in your video?
I'm not, that's alright.
But look at the amount of bars there are.
I know.
That's crazy.
This was a major tourist place when we first come here like 20 years ago. But COVID sort of buggered everything up.
Look at the colour of the water now.
I know, it's went through clear to Brun. It's just the mud coming through the mountains, that's all.
Nah, it's dirt.
It's no turns. Beer drink. Wouldn't drink that, would you? Oh no.
It wouldn't be very
I think we'd be strapped to the toilet for a couple of weeks after that one.
Turd delicious.
Turd delicious.